You have no prior experience making money online? Don't be worried, because today I'm going to show you how to generate $700 in PayPal Cash with a simple Google tool. I'm going to teach you the websites you should use in conjunction with Google to generate money online utilizing this method right now in this video. This way of making money may be used anywhere on earth and is absolutely free, secure, beginner-friendly, and legal. So if you're serious about generating money online, make sure you watch and listen all the way to the end to discover the specific methods as well as all of the important tips and tactics I include in this tutorial. If you don't already have a PayPal account, you should get one as soon as possible because, as I've mentioned in the introduction, that's where you'll be able to receive online payments. To do so, go to paypal.com and click Sign Up Now to create a free account. After that, you'll be led to this screen where you'll need to select Personal Account. Simply fill in the required personal information, and once you're done that, you've successfully opened your own PayPal account through which you'll be able to receive payments. Now that you've set out a payment method, go to google.com, which is our first and most crucial website today. And as you may have guessed, this is the platform where we'll utilize a simple Google trick today. Now, right now, you must use the search field to look for terms like sunsets or nature. To put it another way, you're looking for great-looking photographs since they'll be used to make money online on the following websites. I'll use the term sunset as an example, and I want you to download the best-looking images available right now. But first, you'll need to click Tools right here. Then, from the drop-down option, choose Usage Rights. And finally, select Creative Commons licenses. By doing so, you're free to utilize any of these photos without reaction. In other words, you will not be penalized for copyright infringement if you publish any of these photographs on websites that we will utilize later in the video. That's fantastic, right? After that is completed, all you have to do now is select the most appealing photographs and select the best among them. Then, right-click on the image you wish to save and select Save Image As. After that, you should download as many of the best-looking photographs from Google as you can. Let's go on to the platform, which we'll talk about in detail and for which we'll be paid today. I'd like you to go to clickasnap.com and look at their homepage. When you first arrive here, you'll see this text. It claims that it pays to share. To accomplish that, you'll read that you'll need to sign up to be paid for your content. With that being said, you've probably already guessed that your material on this site will be the ones you've downloaded from Google, which are the sunset photos. And once you publish those photos on this platform, you'll get compensated. It's as simple as that. However, if you have a camera, keep in mind that you may have original content. You can generate money while doing something you enjoy by shooting photographs on your own, which is absolutely awesome. This is how you generate money with your material on this website. After you publish your material on this website, users will notice various advertisements such as these ones on the side of the screens. The website can distribute the ad income straight to you with those advertising. Let's take a closer look at this website now, shall we? This platform is well known and widely used, and each photo you upload earns you 70 cents. Now, despite the fact that 70 cents may appear to be a small sum of money at first sight, believe me when I say it isn't. Consider this. If 100 people look at your photo, the website's adverts have already paid you $70 in passive income. And the fact that you just got $70 for nothing more than downloading free Google Photos is a major win of making money online. Keep in mind that this website attracts millions of visitors each day, so you'll almost certainly get thousands of views. Consider how much money you can make if you use this website right now. To back that claim, visit similarweb.com and search for clickasnap.com. After that, take a look at ClickAsnap's number to discover all the data about them, including their visitors. Right here, you can see that ClickAsnap received over 1.4 million visits in the previous month. You can also see how much the site has expanded in the last year on this graph. As you can see, Click a Snap had over 2.3 million visitors in April of 2001. This figure increased up to 2.75 million in May. It had 2.6 million visitors in June, and we're currently at over 1.4 million. Consider if at 1,000 people view your photos, you would roughly earn $700 that easily. In conclusion, this company has grown drastically, making now the ideal timing to begin using it to upload photos and to start earning money. To get back on track, go to clickasnap.com and click Get Started to start making money online right now. After that, you can sign up right here by providing your email address. To do so, you must enter your email address, username, and password. Then click Create an Account. After checking this box to agree to their conditions. However, for a better sign-up experience, you may sign up using your Facebook, Google, or Twitter accounts. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. This website has a minor flaw, which I would explain. If you want a huge amount of people to see your images, it isn't completely free. But consider this, all you have to do to get paid for views is spend £2 every month on this site, which is around $3 when converted. However, after you've done so, you'll be able to generate thousands of views, resulting in substantial revenue and fantastic return on your site investment. I can tell you that the small amount of money you spent on this site will be worth it when you use this. After that, all you have to do is utilize Google to download images each day and upload them to Click a Snap. And once you've accumulated a few dozen images, you'll be able to earn thousands of dollars. Because our site attracts new visitors every day, some of your older photographs will receive thousands of views each month once they've been submitted, resulting in more income. And that's how simple it is nowadays to make a lot of money quickly and effortlessly online. Make sure you follow everything I've taught you in this video to maximize your results. And that sums up today's tutorial. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.